Good evening. My name is Atachai Sai Prawat, anak laki Kiang, and this is my team member from Group 4, Auni Filza and Satish Mudiani Sami. We are we will be presenting satellite television for our subject EMK21003, electromagnetic field theory. First off is the contents of our presentation today, which we'll be presenting introduction, problem statement, designation process of innovation, product contribution to public health and environmental safety, and finally, conclusion. Next. First off, we will be starting with introduction by our Nifiza.
Hi, my name is Auni Pizza binti Muhammad Suhaimi. I will present for introduction. Okay. What is satellite television? Satellite television is a satellite TV broadcast television signal directly from orbiting satellites to viewers using satellite dishes and set-top boxes. Satellite television have three stages. First is transmission, which is signals sent from Earth to satellites. Second is satellite operation, which is satellites relay signals back to Earth covering vast areas. Third is reception, which is signal received by dishes processed for display. Next, satellite television have several benefits of satellites. First is global reach, accessible in remote areas where other service may not exist. Second is high quality content, which is satellite TV offer HD or 4K resolution and diverse channel options. Third is customizable package, which is viewer can choose channel based on their preference. Next is satellite television have a role of electromagnetic field theory. Enable signal transmission and reception between satellites and Earth. Next is vital for designing dishes or antennas and managing frequency allocation. And the last one is accounts for atmospheric effect like scattering and absorption to ensure quality. Satellite television have several problem statement. Number one is signal attenuation, which is due to atmospheric factors, particularly during adverse weather condition, can degrade signal strength. Mitigation strategies include using adaptive power control or error correction algorithms. Number two, electromagnetic interference, EMI. It's a natural sources or electronic device poses another significant challenge. Employing advanced filtering and shielding techniques can enhance signal clarity. Number three is antenna design, which is it can optimizing antenna geometry and materials can maximize signal reception while reducing noise and interference. Number four, frequency allocation. The better to prevent congestion and avoid conflict with other communication system. It achieved through regulator frameworks and dynamic allocation technologies. Number five is polarization. It's a critical factor for improving cast clarity and reliability by effectively separating signals. Number six is signal propagation. It's developing accurate models that predict wave behavior through various atmospheric conditions ensures consistent quality. Number seven is multi-part interfere. It caused by signal reflection can be addressed through advanced signal processing and adversity reception techniques. And the last one is electromagnetic compatibility, EMC. It is between satellite television system and other electronic system, minimize the risk of mutual interference and a variable coexistence. So there are some problem statement related to satellite television in the content in the context of electromagnetic field. So next I will pass to Santich. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening and I'm Satish Shami. For my part is today examination process of innovation week, concept of electromagnetic field theory. So we got five concepts and process here that we want to discuss. So here we go with the first one. So the first one is electromagnetic wave propagation. So transmission is electromagnetic wave, usually in the microwave frequency range are modulated onto television signals. So which so we got few modulation techniques that we will see in our next point, and not next point, in our third or fourth point, something like that. So for our propagation, these waves reach the satellite by passing through the atmosphere into space. So it will pass our atmosphere into space. So the restriction part, these waves are picked up by the satellite's antenna, which then amplifies them. So second, antenna design. Satellite antenna, large parabolic antenna are used to transmit and receive signal over vast distance. So, each antennas, viewers receive the signal from the satellite via smaller parabolic antenna, which mostly we use in home nowadays. So, the bandwidth and antenna gain. So, the factors affect how an antenna concentrate and guides electromagnetic radiation. So, okay, next. Okay. The next is frequency allocation and spectrum management. So for frequency band, to prevent interference, certain frequency bands are set aside for satellite television service. So for the spectrum efficiency, to optimize the number of channel, the spectrum must be used effectively. So this one for frequency allocation and spectrum management. That's why, as I said in earlier, this is how we modulate and demodulate our signal for our satellite television. So, modulation, which is method like is a frequency modulation FM, and quadrant amplitude modulation, which is QAM, used to encode data, audio, and video onto the carrier wave. So, from another wave, it will change to the carrier wave. So for the demodulation part, retrieve the original data, then the signal is demodulated at the receiver. So the last, satellite orbit and positioning. So geostationary orbit, stay motionless in relation to Earth surface. Satellite are positioned in stationary orbit. So which that 36 kilometers above 36,000 kilometers above the equators. So last, orbit mechanics. So which is the satellite orbit and trajectory are calculated precisely. So that's all for electromagnetic field theory in satellite television. Thank you very much.
Okay, so I will be okay, so I will be presenting of the topic product contribution to public health and environmental safety. Next. So satellite television provides a wide coverage of signal transmission into any part of the world where a transmitter and receiver is present. This can include fast information broadcasting, fast-acting safety precaution, and environmental awareness to society. First off is fast information broadcasting, where information related to any kind of disease and disaster can be relayed to any television with same time accuracy between the transmitter's and receiver's location, keeping the general public updated and aware of any danger around them. Secondly is fast-acting safety precautions, where news on natural or man-made disasters and disease outbreak can be relayed to every receivers along with the precautions to keep the public safe from incoming dangers. Updated information and news are also given from time to time through radio and televisions to keep the general public aware of current situation. Example situations are during the Japan tsunami 2011 incidents where local and international broadcasting services provided detailed information on casualties, area affected, and precautions prior to the incident. Next. Third is environmental awareness to society, where satellite televisions not only can provide information from broadcasting stations, but from live footage of cameras live on site. This can provide real-time broadcasting on endangered and protected areas around the world, including forest fires, oil leakage in seas, and pollutions in affected areas. By supplying updated information on the environment around the world, the general public's awareness toward these issues can be increased. Next. 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 So for the conclusion, next. Satellite television is a cornerstone of modern communication, offering global coverage that ensures the delivery of critical information, entertainment, and educational content to even the most remote regions. Its operation relies on a seamless integration of advanced electromagnetic field theory, efficient frequency allocation, and precise satellite positioning. The technology's benefits includes high definition content, customizable viewing options, and innovations like direct to home DTH services. So that's all from our group for for the topic of satellite television. Thank you very much.